Hello and welcome to your first look preview of this awesome home. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to schedule a private tour. This charming country farmhouse-style Cape Cod home, nestled on a serene 0.52-acre lot, offers a perfect blend of comfort and charm. Step inside to discover a warm and inviting interior featuring built-ins and a traditional floor plan that seamlessly connects the family room to the country-style kitchen. The separate dining room sets the stage for memorable meals, while the entry-level bedroom provides convenience and flexibility. Stainless steel appliances, including a built-in microwave, dishwasher, and electric oven, elevate your culinary experience. Enjoy the ease of main floor laundry with a washer and dryer included. Outside, the wraparound front porch and rear deck invites you to unwind amidst the partly wooded backdrop, creating a peaceful retreat. A charming shed adds extra storage for your outdoor essentials. With its thoughtful design and tranquil surroundings, this home embodies